For these 4-year-olds, preschool is all about fun. For many of their parents, it's also about being able to work. This federally funded Head Start program helps children from the nation's poorest families. Julia Ramos is a single working mother who says she can't afford quality childcare for her son.
It gives the opportunity for parents to better themselves so that they don't have to be in the welfare system and they don't have to rely on the government. If I didn't have this, who would my son be with while I work or while I go to school?
It's a question the parents of some 70,000 children may soon have to answer, thanks to federal spending cuts. Tens of thousands of teachers are also at risk of losing their jobs, according to the Obama administration, and the cuts to social services don't stop there. The White House says 4 million meals will be cut from food programs. 125,000 families would get less money for rent assistance, and more than 370,000 mentally ill adults and emotionally disturbed children could go untreated. From public schools to public health, many programs won't start feeling the effects of the cuts until the next budget cycle kicks in July. The predictions are dire, but the true impact of the cuts is hard to gauge because so many programs rely on a combination of federal, state, and local funding. The loss of a free daily meal at the local senior center and the camaraderie that comes with it would be devastating to Frances Hubbard and her friends.
Believe me, a lot of us may end up in an early grave because we won't have nowhere to go.
But the program's director says it's more likely the program will be scaled back rather than cut altogether.
Every year we run out of federal money in around November, beginning of November, and the city has been picking up the slack to get us through the rest of the year. But it's going to be difficult if we get hit another $100,000 or $120,000.
They know the cuts will hurt. It's just a matter of how much. Kristen, Saloomey, Al Jazeera, New York.